What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Triperium coin. There's a different ICOs that focus on the tech melter industry. Now, the melter industry is 34 trillion US dollars, and you can be involved by investing in Triperium in ICO, Triperios. Now, please, anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do not take it as a financial advice. He says the tech industry is rapidly growing. Tiberius can allow you to participate in that growth story by directly investing an asset-backed token that includes the physical melter that are making it all possible. We will continue to need melters in artificial intelligence and building, construction, transportation, space exploration, and all the rest. We need melter, and by investing in Triperium, then you're going to get involved with this. Let's scroll down. The website is beautiful. Now this is the timeline. The best started from 2012. It's huge. 2013, Triperium communication tech. So they're the top 7 meta to make a future-proof diverse meta basket 2017. So they've been. So you can click on to see the view timeline roadmap for them. You can see the different people who are part of the team. Now, let me show you one of them. Christoph Elbe. This is him on global markets. You can see.
The world is rejoicing. Oil is trading higher. We had BlackRock in here this morning talking about electric vehicles, the lithium and cobalt issues in the market. Supply security is critical. This electric vehicle story, small in actual numbers, big in media coverage. What does it mean for the market?
I think at the end of the day, it's all about perception. The market is trading perception, and that's why cobalt, lithium, and nickel and all of those metals are trading higher. Essentially, and that is probably 10, 15 years down the road, we will see more electric vehicles in the streets. The question is, how will it unfold in terms of when will we see more supply hitting the market? And I think it's...
So I just want you to see that this whole ICO is real, is real. So this is their partner, Latokin, PW, Ico, Big, Silica, and the rest. So different news about them. You can see. So let's check down their Twitter, 4,145 followers. On their Telegram, they have 15,033, which is ideal. And you can check their white paper. I always encourage you to go through the white paper of an ICO. It lets you know more about the project, what it's all about, what they hope to achieve. So I just want you to know about this ICO that focus on the meta industry, and I will leave the link down below for you to sign up for this ICO and go for it. But remember, whatever you do, it's your personal opinion. This is not a financial advice. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching the Tiberius coin ICO reviews that is backed by Melter, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO reviews.